And then it will have flat lines so that it'll be nice and dark and you can see all the colours then.
Well, then I think there should be a shelf like over here for books.
Okay. Imagine if you're really stressed and you can just feel it.
There could be like a little fairy house, you know, for like, oh, what's it called? The Hobbit whole house. Like, and it could be like, what could be like, the door to the house, yeah. I want these. It's hard. When I first came in, I didn't really think it would be round. I thought it would be like a square. I didn't think there would be like bumps on it. I definitely didn't think there would be massive bubbles. I think that they did a lot of work over the last, whatever time they made it, because it's like a proper house. It's got like the door, it's got the little bubbles, and the roof. I didn't think it would be black and yellow, and I didn't know if the roof would be just on the floor, not on here. We have a lot of cleaning up to do. But I didn't think it was going to be anything like this because it's definitely different to how I thought.
Is it better than you thought it would be?
I'm not sure. I'll have to see what it's done.
Do you like it then?
I like how it is so far.
Back and we'll fit that. We've got some coloured footballs and something.